Hey again, it's Wednesday, September 30th, the last day of the month. And today we touched on theme. And I know that's again where we get confused between the summary of what happened and then the actual theme or the message that the author wants us to take away. So we are going to finish our writing tomorrow, but I just wanted to get you thinking about it, get you looking at this. I color coded it, hoping maybe it helps understand our pieces, parts for our writing. So we need to come up with a theme for Sonnet 130. So I gave the example that the first 12 lines that Shakespeare gives us the not so fabulous physical description of his girlfriend and all of the things that seems like he's kind of dogging her. But then the last two lines he tells us that no matter all that, she is the most beautiful person and he loves her unconditionally. So now we need to talk about theme. I just gave you a summary because I had character names and sort of what happened. Now it's your turn for theme. And remember, tomorrow we're going to finish our 3 sentences that we need. So the first thing you need to do is answer the question, which is, what is the theme? So that would start with the theme of Sonnet 130 is, and then you would complete sentence, capital letters for the start of the sentence, period at the end. Then we have the quote to support your answer. So the poem says, remember when we do this tomorrow, it's going to be either a quote from Shakespeare's or your remix. I don't care which one. And then our last sentence is you need to explain your answer. Why does that quote answer the question? Why does it help support that? So we would start this off with this quote explains the theme is what you stated before because, and then that would be your own words. So this is what we're looking for tomorrow. We're going to do a really solid 7th grade piece of writing. I know you can do it. I know that this sort of touches base on what you did last year. I will post again in here the theme video that we watched again. I know it's all the cheese. It is super cheesy, but I really like the way she describes theme. I think it's helpful, so it's here again for you to think about it. Remember, this isn't homework, but I want you to think about it. If you weren't here with us today, this is what we started with, and we'll go from there. So 1:30 to 2:30 if y'all need me during office hours, the help time, and then I will see you tomorrow on Thursday.